Assalamualaikum friends. My name is Aisha Azhar. My school name is London International Public School. I read in class 7 and my presentation partner name is Ajwal Yakat. And today my presentation topic is human heart. So this diagram is heart. So let's start the presentation.
Human heart have four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. राइट आर्टियम और राइट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में जो वाल्व होता है इसे ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व कहा जाता है. लेफ्ट आर्टियम और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में जो वाल्व होता है इसे बाइकस्पिड वाल्व कहा जाता है. इसके अंदर जो एक पर्दा होता है उसे सेप्टम कहा जाता है.
Working of circulatory system. Vena cava. The right atrium of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body via vena cava.
Right atrium. Blood from the right atrium is pushed down into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve.
Right ventricle. From the right ventricle, blood is pumped up to the lungs through the pulmonary artery for a gaseous exchange. That is, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is removed.
Lungs and left atrium. Freshly oxygenated blood is returned to the left atrium of the heart via the pulmonary vein.
Left ventricle. Blood is forced down into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve.
Aorta. Blood from the left ventricle is pumped up toward the aorta, which pumps blood to all parts of body to provide oxygen.
Thank you.
Thank you.